Will the US ban the TikTok app? That's the question. The news of today, yes. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, April the 25th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the three star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Yeah. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, let me continue with the 4 stars Sudoku number 8424. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there, 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Well, need a 9 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1. Shoot there, 1, 1. 1, yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. In this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the fourth column, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the last column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. How about 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. Only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this column. It should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5, it should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. In this row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 in the fourth column, no 5 there. Here another 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the only 2 places left for the 5 in the middle row should be here or there. You see another 5 in this column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. I need a 4 and I need a 7. 7 and the 4. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7. The 4 and the 2. And now, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9. Shoot there. 9, okay. 9. Cannot continue with 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then the 8 here. And 9. Yeah, we have a pair again. The 8 and the 9 in this column, the 8 and the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in the third row. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 4 and the 3. We have 4 and 3 in this second row. So no 4 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here we have a pair. Here a pair in the middle column. 9 and 8, 3 and 4. So what are these 2 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then. Let me see. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 3, should be down. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, so 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. So, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. That means we need a 2 here. Here, 2, here, 2. Okay. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. Either 3, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay, so here, 9 and 8. Okay, 9 and 8. And I need a 4 here. Okay. How about 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. Third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there then. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 9 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. 8 and the... Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Okay. 1 and a 4. We have 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 now in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 now in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 box left now in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes. And they finish in 13 minutes. Well, I'm surprised. Again, 13 minutes. We solve it again. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 stars? No. Should be again a 0 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.